Okay, should be working. Everything seems to be working, and the stream looks like it's up over there. Cool. Yeah. That should be good. So cool. Okay. So what I want to do in this video, in this stream, like right now, is make my feature rule generator program a little bit cooler. Yes. Okay, let me just turn that off. Okay. Basically, I'm just gonna make this program look a little nicer. Because as of right now, I'll show you what it looks like. So if I just open up this. If you don't know, this is my feature rule generator. It like lets you make structures. I've made videos on it. Yeah. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's very boring. Very white. Not very good. There we go. As you can see, not exciting. Very boring GUI. So I'm just gonna make it different. Okay. So I'm gonna find some style sheets online. Basically what a style sheet is, it lets you change the color of a GUI to make it look nicer. So I just gotta find some. I guess we can use style sheets. Where are they? Okay, I found a dark style sheet. This might be cool. Style here. I'll test this one out to see how it looks. Okay, let me just quickly select the whole style. I know you can't see what I'm doing right now, but that's fine. Don't worry about it. Okay. Style sheet. There we go. Apply. Yeah, see already this is so much better. Look at this. Okay, there are some things I don't like though. Like why there's a line there. And why these text boxes overlap with these. There we go. Fix those ones, and let me fix these ones. Hello, welcome to the stream. Yeah, I think it's working now. It should all be working. Everything should be fine. Okay. Where is this? I'm trying to figure out how to remove the background color of this label, because when I open this up, you can see down here, it's very weird. Also, why are these checkboxes gone? Man, style sheets are so glitchy. Let me see what it looks like when I'm actually running it. Okay, well, what is this? Oh, that's that. Okay. It does generate 2 files. It's so good. I already added that bit. I added that bit of code in, so I'm gonna release a video on that soon. I'm just testing out style sheets to make it look better. But things are being a bit weird. Especially when it comes to this, like, the labels kind of look a bit broken. So I'm going to try fix that. But yeah, it makes 2 files instead of the thousands of files before. It's because Mojang updated Minecraft, so in the beta it's better. I'm just trying to find styles online for the GUI. I think this guy has made a few styles, possibly. So I'm gonna see. No, that's the only one. Okay. PyQt5 dark style sheet. Just gonna find. That one's nice and grey. That one's dark orange. Yeah, it is really cool. Sorry, I didn't see that. Yeah, it's so much better. It's amazing. You can actually make good structure packs now without them lagging when you're trying to open them in a world. So that's really cool. I was already testing out some stuff earlier, and I've given some people a beta, but I'm gonna release it possibly today, depending on if I get time to edit the video that I've already recorded. So yeah. Okay, so I found this style sheet. This is an orange one. Let's see how this looks. Okay. Not too bad, but we still get cutting off of things here. There we go. And we have, at least these are back, but we have this thing happening again. Background color, can I make this clear? That didn't work. Oh, it did work. Okay, so that fixed that. That was the only issue then. Okay, that's cool. That means everything else should be fine. Perfect, okay. I know I haven't done much yet, but that's just, I was getting this to work. So now I'm going to make a new file in here called config.yaml. YML, I think. Hang on. Okay, yeah, YAML. Like this. Okay. probably going to re-record the video on the new thing as well, just because it wasn't that good. Okay, this is not what I'm looking for. Neither is that. Here is the file. Okay. This is the YAML file. So I'm going to quickly write. Basically this file here will allow you to change the style of how the program looks. And it'll also let you edit some settings. So I'm going to write config.py. Okay, so this program is going to open up the config file and write some default data into it. So we need YAML, which comes with Python, so that's pretty good. Data. This is just going to be I guess I'll do this. Okay. Stylesheet. And then pass the file name. So I'm going to add a folder called styles. And here I'm going to have sheets. Well, that should be style sheets, and then we're going to have data style sheets. Okay, that's the folder. Dark orange dot q style sheet. Okay, that's where that's going to go, and then I'll just paste that into here. Cool. I guess I can probably rename it to a CSS instead. Yeah, there we go. Now I can actually do this. These errors are fine. Oh damn, that's pretty cool. I can make like, huh. Oh, hello, welcome to the chat. I'm just making the program look a bit better. So it now looks like this instead of the white thing that it was before. It's just cooler. I don't know. You'll be able to change the settings. So I'm going to make a default style sheet, or white. There we go. That one's just an empty file, and this one is the orange one. Cool, okay. That's fine. And that's fine. Okay, so now in the style sheets, default file it's going to open will be white.css, which will be the default style sheet, and then you can change by opening this file and typing in whatever you want. So now I'm gonna yeah, I did actually. That was very cool. I haven't actually downloaded it yet though. And I'm pretty sure custom blocks will work. I haven't tested it yet. I guess I should probably try that. Yeah, I'll test that because I don't know. It should work. Custom blocks worked in the last one, and they should work in structures. So I don't see why not. I guess I can test that right now. So my structure building world here. Let me see. Behavior packs. Resource packs. Okay, let me just put on some custom block one. I guess my quarries one will work. Where is it? Quarries. Okay. Oh. Yeah, actually, currently custom blocks don't work, but that's because of the beta version. Currently everything is broken in beta, because it's like in progress of working. So I think Mojang is redoing everything. So until I can figure out the new custom block format, they won't work. I mean, no, custom blocks will work, but like, I don't actually have the new format of custom blocks yet, but like, they will work. And yeah, command blocks work too. You can put command blocks in, so that's pretty cool. I am currently looking at the cave updates add-on. Damn, these are very cool. I would like to see this. Okay, I'll move that over there just so I can skip through these things. Okay. Yeah, Render Dragon. I don't know when that's happening. I've looked up a bunch of news on it. It seems like it will happen. I just don't know when. So yeah. Plus, I'm currently trying to download this thing. Hi, Anthony. Thank you very much. Very nice. Means a lot. So thank you to everyone who subscribed, because that's super cool. Yeah, I just want to see this add-on. But the download link is taking a while. This looks really cool. I'm gonna find out if they use my generator for these structures. I don't know. They might not have. They might have done it themselves. But I don't know. A lot of people have been using it without giving credit as well. Yeah, so that's kinda annoying. But I mean, I don't know what I expected giving it out for free. Okay, download's almost ready for this, so let's test that out once it actually lets me download it. Okay. Got that. Lets you do all that, and we have... Okay, I don't know how I feel about that though. Yeah, it's really cool. I'm checking out the screenshots right now. They look really cool. Plus, I just found this. More crops. Oh, never mind, these are entities. Wait. Seeds to plant them. I can't tell if these are actual crops or if they're just like custom entities. Yeah, they are, they're entities. That's pretty cool though. Love these chat messages sometimes in the description of some add-ons. Okay, I'm downloading the Cave Update add-on, and then we'll see what it's like. Yeah, go do your work. Actually, I can't talk. I have homework to do as well, which I'm going to do a bit later. I will do that eventually. I have work as well. Okay, downloaded the add-on. Let's check this out. Ignore all of those other things in my downloads. I don't think there's anything personal there. That's fine. Cool. Behavior pack, features, feature rules, functions. Very nice. I don't think they actually use this. No, they did not. Yeah, I will do it a bit later. I'm gonna do it this afternoon. Currently it's 12 o'clock for me. Midday, I haven't had lunch yet. My bad. Yeah, okay, so this add-on didn't actually use my stuff. So that's pretty cool, because they managed to get everything to work nicely without it. That is actually impressive. They did everything with functions instead though. Meaning structures might spawn over things you've already built. Yeah, that's not very good. I mean, that makes sense because it's a better way of doing it than with like so many files, but still. Okay. So these are style sheets. Okay, back to what I was actually doing. Let's get style sheets working for this program. So I'm going to open the config file, write to it, encoding. Thank you. That means a lot, Anthony. It's very nice. Okay. So currently I'm just making the program able to look different. So you'll be able to like make your own style sheets for it. Basically the style sheet is what changes the color. So this one's like grey and orange instead of the white default thing that was before. I think it looks nicer. So you'll like also be able to like, yeah, you can basically make your own. Or download them or just use the ones that come with it. Hi. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. I missed you. I'm pretty sure everything's working on stream. Should be. Yeah, I know it does. It looks very cool. And you'll also be able to like change different themes to look basically whatever you want. I might make some themes as well. But yeah, this is the dark mode. I like it a lot. It's so much better. Like, apart from this progress bar, I don't know what that's about. It looks kind of bad. because like it's kind of hard to read the number. Yeah. I'll try to fix that. That should be fine. Okay, so now we're going to read it as that, and then load it. Configuration equals safe load, and then the file. Cool. And then I'm going to do this. Dump data. Indent. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. This should be able to read the config file here. Yep. It sets a style sheet there, which will allow you to change a bunch of settings. So you can see here now we have the style sheet, and if you want to edit the style sheet, you would just change this to whatever you want. So like dark orange .css, because that's the name of this file here. I might remove the .css. No, I'll leave it, it's fine. Yep, so that works. That writes to this file. So now we need that bit. And then in the feature rule generator, after we do all of this importing, there we go down here to the very end, and then we're gonna config, and let me do that. I think I already have, I don't need that actually. YAML. Okay, so it's basically going to open the config file and then read the data from it. So style equals config.get style sheet. There we go. That's the name of this, so we're just going to get that. And then return a default argument if you like accidentally remove that or something, I don't know. To prevent the program from crashing if you do that. So that's that. Style. Okay, cool. I'm also going to do this. Def reset config file. And just copy that and put that into here. Okay. So now we'll be able to reset the configuration file if something breaks. So we can have a button in the program to reset it. And we'll also probably have like a settings button in the program that lets you change settings, obviously. Don't know what else settings would do. So now we're going to check if the style sheet is not in the folder. So basically if you try to type in the wrong style, like if you try and type something that doesn't exist, I don't want the program to crash, obviously. So yeah, style exists, and I'm just going to check style in os.list directory. Basically it's going to loop through every single file in the data style sheets folder, and then if this name here is in this folder, because it is currently, you can see we have white.css, so if that name is in there, that'll be fine. If it's not in there though, then the program will know. So now we're going to go if not style exists, print debug error config, and then I'm going to go style sheet. This is just a debug message so that you can know if you type something wrong. Style does not exist in data style sheets. Cool. That should now work. Well, it should now tell me if it doesn't exist. So if I were to change this to white 2, that won't exist. And if I try to run this here, wrong program, this one. Yeah, debug error, Stylesheet does not exist in data style sheets. Cool. That works. And otherwise, fdebug config.yaml Stylesheet, okay. Selected sheet. Basically, it'll tell you if it loaded the style sheet correctly. Cool. So now when we load this in, okay. Cool. I know this is probably really boring, that's why everyone left. But I'm just coding. So yeah. This is what I have to go through for hours to make this program. Okay. This is very slow to do. Hello, welcome back. Currently I'm just coding to make the program look better. This is what it looks like currently. It's pretty epic. So I guess that's cool. I'm basically adding like dark theme to it, you know? Okay. And it's going to be like modular, so you'll be able to select your own style sheet for the program to use. So you can basically decide how it looks for yourself. So if I now do this up here, set style sheet, and then we get the open style sheet. Okay, cool. Now we read the style sheet for the program, so it will change how it looks. I guess I should put this here instead. There we go. Okay. Let's test this. Yes. Perfect. It is white. That is what we want. And then if we were to change this, just by opening it in any text editor, you can change this to dark orange.css or whatever the name is. That might not be it. Yep. Styles work. Very nice. And you can do all this perfectly fine. Perfect. Okay. Alright, so now this style sheet should be better, I think. If I were to just quickly select somewhere. Okay, that's a bit weird. It's still green. That's very strange. Okay. Perfect, I fixed it. Okay. And everything else is fine. Yep. So basically you can now pick the style that you want it to look like. So if I were to quickly make another style, by renaming this to dark blue, so now this one's going to be blue and dark, I guess. So what blue do we want? These are like the highlights. There we go, that will do. We're going to go Control H to replace all the orange ones with blue. There we go. So now we should have a blue one as well, and then you can open up this file and change it to dark blue, and then when you open up the program, it is this one. For some reason there are still orange bits. Let me find those. There's a grey bit. That's grey, that's grey. Okay, here's some more orange. There we go. That should be it. Okay, fixed it. Now we have a blue one as well. So there we go. This is so weird. Why are there still orange bits? Everything should be fine. Bye. This is quite painful to do. So that's blue. That's black. Yeah, this should be fine. Cool. Blue is what I want, and blue is what I will get by doing this. So these are all greys. That's grey, that's grey. That's blue. Okay, let me do this. Might be easier. Change style sheet and paste it here and apply. Okay, there's like strangeness happening. Do these have a style sheet? No, they don't. Why is that happening? Okay, so that's a button. And these are the menus. And someone is home. Alright, I'll fix up this style sheet later. Okay, so that should be that. Yeah, I have no idea where that orange is coming from. Because every color here seems correct. Oh. No, that is not correct. Okay, so that's blue. This color, on the other hand. Yep. Found it. And what is this color? That's a very light one. Okay. That should be fine. There's probably something I missed. There is definitely something I missed. Let me find the button. Hover, okay. Alright, so this must be somewhere. Oh, there's definitely some orange somewhere. Okay, here. Found it. This must be it. It's basically turned into a style sheet making video. I'm just gonna pick that blue. And do that. That's blue, that's blue, okay. I am very confused. All of these should be blue. That's definitely not blue. Okay, If this doesn't work, I have no idea. Come on, what is doing this? Okay, so these are blue. Whoa, that's so cool. Okay, so these are blue. And let's do that. These are still orange. Okay. Clearly some bits I missed. So I will manually find them. This is as boring for me as it is for you. That's grey. This grey. This would be not grey. What was that before? That's not grey. Okay. Found some more culprits. Alright, let's see what this looks like now. Nope. There is still something. Found it. Possibly. Maybe not though. There's a quite high chance that that was not it. But if it was, then that's good. No, that was. I am so confused. I mean, all these now go orange. I mean, they go blue. These buttons go blue. These buttons don't go blue. What? This is very strange. I'm just gonna remove this style sheet. There you go. Apply. Does this have a style sheet? No, it doesn't. Do these have style sheets? No, they don't. Why are they going orange? I guess I'm going to go through this manually one more time. Ooh, if this is it. No, that's grey. That's fine, that's fine. Okay, I'm gonna leave this for now. I am struggling to find what I'm looking for. I bet it's something really simple that I just missed. Because that would definitely happen. Yeah. Alright, I guess I'll just find a style sheet. Okay. There are a bunch here. Oh, that's cool. I don't like that. This one might be cool. That's cool. Alright, here are some. Okay. Where is this? No, everything here is done with images. I don't want to do that. What about this? Style. Style. Okay. I guess I'm gonna find out what they look like. So I guess this is like just grey. Oh, this is the green one. Okay. Dark green. Change style sheet. Delete all that. Okay, so that's dark green. Data style sheets. Dark green. Cool. And there's one more, which is this one here. Which looks very strange. So I'm not going to use that. What's this one? This is dark grey. Cool. No, that one uses too many things. Too many images. Alright, I reckon that's done for style sheets for now. I'll do that later. rename this page to settings. Actually, experimental things. Okay. Delete that page and then rename this one to settings. Okay. Actually, I'm just going to remove this. I won't do that now. Okay. That's that, that's done. Cool. I guess I can compile it now. So now we wait, and while we wait, I am going to not play any of these because I'm in beta. Hello, welcome to the live stream. I've just been programming the feature rule generator, so now it's loading. I'm compiling it to an exe. I'll show you what I did though. Basically, it should be fine if I edit it. You can now change the style sheet. So if I want the program to look dark green, you can go into here and find all the files. Can I make that bigger? Yeah, it's where you put styles for the program, and then you can edit this file here and change the name of the style. So I can do like dark green, like I had there, because there's a file called dark green. And if I run it, you can see it will open up this, and it gives it a different look. So it's just like cooler. Yeah. Plus I sped up the loading of these a lot, so this runs a lot smoother now. Because before it would take ages to like navigate with this view, but it's so much quicker. I still don't recommend setting it to 64. I don't know why I did that. But yeah, obviously it's so much quicker. Because before this would take ages and it would just like lag out so bad, but it's not too bad. It's manageable. Yeah, okay. Yeah, basically this new version of the program, it lets you export structures as one file instead of so many files. So that's pretty cool. I think it might be done compiling as well. Let me check, let me just reset this to white. There we go, so now the style's back to normal. Yep, this is done. We have this here. The 1.3.1, 0.3.1, sorry. I'm going to put block textures into data instead. But yeah. I'm quickly going to make a few structures now, I guess. Yeah. That's fine. I guess I will build something, I don't know. What do you want me to make? Just suggest anything and I'll make a pack, add it to the pack. I guess I can add this actually. Yeah, okay, I'll do that. I'll add this floating island in. What are the coordinates? -73 -167. Okay, cool. So now I'm just going to export this. And I'm also going to delete this folder, this file, because I don't want that. Okay, cool. Now I can open up this program here. Oops, I'm not using a style sheet. Oh well. Okay, now I can go to these coordinates that I wrote down. And -167, I think it was. Cool. There, somewhere there, and there, and there. Cool. That should be the whole island. It's from there to there. Cool. Export region. Just overworld. And there. Cool. Spawn placement. Spawn in sky. Between. Oh, welcome. So many people just came back. At least that's what this says. Yes. There are some people here. Okay. Gonna rename this to Sky Island 1. Spawn in sky. between, I don't know, 120 to 210. That should be fine. Don't include air blocks. Cool. Alright, and let me just open up the behavior pack. There we go. Should be done. There we go. And this one. Okay, I set it way too common. I think I left it at 5. Also, this water isn't pouring down. That's not very good. Well, I mean, at least it works, so that's something. Ooh. There's a diamond. Yeah, seems like you have to update the water. And I'm not sure how I can do that. Well, I guess I'll just get rid of the water stream that goes down the side. Why are there still so many of these? There are lots of these tree chest things everywhere. Ah, yeah. I guess I'll make these rarer. I'll do that now. 0.2. No. Yeah. 0.05. Because it's basically a free diamond. And you don't want them too common, otherwise people are just gonna repeatedly see them and be like, that's getting boring. Alright, that's cool. Yes, that is still way too common, I think. Maybe it just hasn't updated yet. Very nice. Yeah, I'm gonna make these floating islands a bit rarer. Because they are too common. Okay. This is a bit better. because I haven't found any yet, so that's what makes it better. But now I don't know if they actually spawn. Also, just gonna turn down the audio in the game. Very loud. It's a bit better. Okay. Well, this still spawns. Oh, cool. Oh, well, now they're so common. Why did so many of them spawn here? That is quite odd. Don't know why that happened. Yeah. I don't know why, but every time I find one of these places I have to check it for loot. Why can't I open this? That must be a bug. Yeah, I can't open the minecart chest. Is that a bug? Let's find out. I think if it has a loot table, I can't open it. That's weird. I might report that. Okay, but these are too common, so I'll make them rarer. Didn't I do that? Okay, what are the other things? 0.005 for the airship. So this should also be 0.005. Okay. There we go. And then this one here. Those are fine. That's fine. Alright, cool. Yes. Perfect. I guess it's time to make more structures. Or just, yeah, I want to make a swamp tree. Okay, I'll do that. Out of oak wood and oak leaves and vines. Okay, cool. I want the tree to kind of be like in the ground though, so I'm going to build it a bit up. What does a swamp tree look like? Oh. They're very thick at the bottom. And then they kind of get skinny. Okay. I guess we should make this big then. I don't want to give the players too much wood though, because, like, I don't know. Because then they'll all just, like, mine down the swamp trees. That's already so much wood. Okay, that's fine. There. Has to look natural. Okay, so swamp trees kind of look like that. And then from this reference, it's kind of like got bits off the side. So I'll see what I can do. But I want it to look cool. It's going to be very tall. That doesn't look very good, but I think that's the best I'll be able to do. Okay, cool. And then at the top it kind of just branches out like any normal tree. It's very tall though. Okay, that is my swamp tree. I think this top bit should be more. There we go. Okay. There we go. I guess that's fine. Not too happy with it, but it'll have to do. Okay. Where is this tree? Here somewhere. Yeah. Okay. This wood doesn't render. That is almost a problem, but it should be fine. That should be the whole area. Cool. Swamp, tree, big one. Spawn placement, where is the swamp? Swamp. That should be it. Yeah. 2.5, nah. 3.5. Make sure it's grounded. And possibly move it down one block. Or I could just have it grounded. Yeah, okay. Oh, it is not responding, just it's loading. Okay, there we go. Cool. And there is a swamp in this world, so we'll see if we can find one of the trees. Yes. I did something very wrong. It should be checking if it's grounded. Let me do that. That is not right. That is very not right. Okay, it's done. By the way, the progress bar currently finishes on 84%. So I'm gonna make it finish on 100% instead of 84%, because that's not good. Okay, no. Not at all. Oh, it's because I selected air underneath it. Actually, that's not too bad. What's the Y position of this block? 11. Cool. Okay. So that should be the lowest Y position. Cool. Grounded. I guess I can set it -1. That should be it then. Okay, so those were the failures from before. But if I go to this new ungenerated swamp biome, yes, they are now on the ground. Yes, they are. Very nice. Oh, they even spawn in the water. Very cool, I like that. I guess I should probably add some variants though for the swamp trees, because like, you can see they're repeating. It's like these trees, you can just see so many of the same ones. I mean, this one's really small. What happened here? Did it spawn in the cave? I think it did. That might be an idea. I might add a setting to... Oh yeah, trees do spawn in caves. Oh no, this is the small one. I might add an option to let you make your structure spawn in a cave instead of on the surface. Or maybe I just set the offset too low. Oh, that one spawned down there, that's fine. Kinda weird, but I guess it's okay. Oh, there's one of the islands over here. That reminds me, I did not remove the water. Yeah, the water still tries to flow down, but doesn't actually flow down. Unless you update it. I missed it, there you go. Yeah, well now it flows down. Okay, let's... Oh my gosh. This village house just got taken. Hello. So did this one. It's so cool. Wow. Okay. That's besides the point, that's not what I'm doing. Alright. Have to add one more thing to my program. There. When you select a region, we have view a cache. Clear cache. I'll explain what this does in a little bit. Cool. Now, okay, that fixed it. And let me do this. Export path. Okay, when we load in a world, I think we also clear the cache. Load world. Yeah, cool. That should be fine then. I'll quickly show you what that does. Program here. Cool. What did I do? Probably didn't save this. No, I just typed something wrong. Where is this? Here. It's my fault. I mean, either way it would have been my fault, but I know why it happened. Let me change. Actually, no, it's fine. Okay. Structure building world. Load the world into memory. You can see here we have this area. But if I were to open up this world and go to that spawn, which is over here. Cool. Okay. Over here, this is where that is. If I grab out a new block and now leave the world, you can see that block doesn't show up, but it shows up on this one, but there's no block here. But if we untick that, you can see it shows up, but it's also slower. But now it'll be faster, but it's gone again. And if you press clear, it updates and now it shows. So clearing just basically updates the cache. So that's what we needed for that. There was something else I was going to do. Don't remember exactly what that was. Let me just quickly do this though. Okay. You can see this thing here is offset from there. I want it to be on the center. I guess I want it to be here. Actually, top left. I would like that to be there. So how many pixels across is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. Okay, so that's 10 in the left for this one here. If I can click it. 10 in the left, okay. X should be 150. And Y should be 150. Wait, no, 130. And then Y for this one has to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 up for this. Okay, let me close the program. 11 up, so that's now 158, 59. I think. Yeah, it's 11. Cool. And this has to go up 159. No. 139. There we go. That doesn't look right. I hope it is though. I guess that's right. Oh, it's because the view is even. I mean, well, yeah, that's the block we have selected. Maybe I could do this though. What if I change the height to 16? Width to 16, okay. This might look a bit weird currently. Yeah. Let me do this. Okay, so that's that. We have to move this one over up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So move that one up 8. Meaning this one should probably move to the left 8. I think. That looks right. And then this one has to move to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 pixels to the right. Meaning this one should move 13 pixels down. What's this? 152. Yep. Can I change the style sheet for this? I can. Actually, let me just add the color. Color, and we're going to make it green. That worked. Cool. Now I'm just going to put that into here. Now they're both green. Actually, green probably isn't a good color for that. RGB. RGB. And I'm going to make it 2 pixels thick instead of 1. I don't know if that actually fixed anything. Yeah, I've been going for a while. Welcome back. Basically I just added some slight things to the way this looks. So now there's like this white outline. Yeah, I've been going for ages. But yeah, as you can see in the program, there's a white outline around the middle block that you've selected. So when you're viewing over here, it shows you that little white thing. You probably can't see it on stream, but I can screenshot it. It's that. Shows you that outline, so it just makes it easier to find which block you've actually got selected. And then you can click, and still selection works the same. This all works the same. Probably going to remove these two, X and Z structure offsets. This the same. Yeah. I've changed a bunch of the back stuff though. But that's fine, I guess. Yeah, so I'm probably just going to compile it again and then release it once the stream's over. Or once I give up and go get food because I haven't had lunch and it's already 1:30 and I haven't done any work today. Okay, that was good knuckle crack. These are fine, these are fine, these are fine. Cool. Oh yeah, I was making swamp trees as well, so I was looking at some swamp tree pictures. I'll show you that real quick if you want. So over here, in this world I have swamp trees, somewhere. Wherever the nearest swamp is, I think it was this way. Yeah, there's a swamp over here. Basically, I made some swamp trees that are really tall. They're probably a bit too tall. Hope I can find this swamp. Where did it go? And what is this? There we go. Okay, I'll just go this way. Is there a swamp here? No. How about here? Also no. How about here? Let me quickly find a swamp. Oh yeah, cool. Here we are, you can see these trees. I'm gonna make a bunch of variants, but this is what they look like. Whoa, chunks are loading in, it's lagging. But yeah, so we have these trees now, which are kind of just like cool things you see as you're walking through a swamp. Also there's a witch with poison. I don't know, they might be too tall. Oh well. I'll add a bunch of variants to them though. But yeah, they spawn very frequently. That's basically it. Yeah. I did add a few more types of these kind of trees. Is this a double tree? Well, yeah. Thanks. Hope you like it. I'm probably going to release this pack on MCPDL eventually. Once I add so many structures, I want it to be like, I don't know, just like all the structure mods for Java kind of put into Bedrock. Because those are always cool. There are battle towers as well that spawn. They're kind of rare though, so I don't think we'll see one. But yeah, it's like a big tall dungeon tower. Well, yeah, I'm gonna add a bunch of trees. Over time, I'll add more. Basically, it will just like brighten up the gameplay because it can get a bit boring. Yeah, I fixed some bugs in the program as well, so that's a little better. If anyone finds bugs, just tell me, and then I guess you can DM me on Discord. Machine_builder #2245 is my Discord name. I'll put that in the description of the video. Yeah, okay, I'll do this then. So, I am 15, turning 16 in a few months. I have been coding for a while though, so I mean, I guess that's fine. Yeah, I'm not that old. Still gotta go through high school, which kinda sucks, but oh well. Still gotta deal with that. Cool. I guess I'm gonna add. Yeah. Yeah, I am. I know, very young. Still a little baby. you have any suggestions as well for me to add to this program, just go ahead and ask, and I'll probably do it. Because I don't know what else to add, really. I guess I can remove these, because they're kind of useless, they don't do anything. Okay, so I removed those offset things. I don't need that. That should stay 0. Cool, that should be it. Yep. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Perfect, that should all be fixed. And I'm going to make this bar go to 100% when it finishes instead of stopping at 84 or wherever it is. Okay. Down here at the end, we're going to set it to 100. Guess I can just do this. No, it's an integer. Or a float. Do that. Yeah. Okay. So now we'll set it to that. And I'm going to try and make it so the window never goes into not responding mode, because it makes you think the program's crashing. So I'll find out how I do that. I think I can just like, I don't know. Right. Not really sure what else to do right now because that's basically all I had in mind. Okay, so this is a Q main window. Does that work? Process events. Probably not. That would not work. What is this? App. Okay. That should work. Self.app process events. Cool. Now I can do this. Okay, I have one more thing I want to add to it actually. But let me just quickly put that there. And abref, okay. There we go. Now we'll see if this lags when we make a new structure. Load world. There we go. And select a huge region. There we go. Now export. Save as huge. Cool. Seems like the window doesn't ever go not responding. What do you mean leave the stream to see it later? Do you want me to come back to it later? Or just stop and then do it some other day? Or are you going? Oh cool, it finished at 100% now. What do you mean with that? Do you want me to like stop streaming? Or continue streaming? Alright, so I'm just gonna do this. Air underscore replacement, air underscore replacement ID. Cool. Okay, so to anyone watching right now, I will show you what that just did. No, I don't know anything about Render Dragon. I'm not sure what they're doing about that. Let's find out. Render Dragon. Oh, that's ray tracing. Yeah, I have no idea when they're releasing this. soon. Yeah, they haven't said. Actually, they said it would be this year, I think. Either halfway through or like second, third of this year, like the middle bit-ish, or later on. Yeah. Soon-ish. What is this curious fact? I'm waiting for this fact. Oh. I see. Are you watching with captions? It actually doesn't. I couldn't tell. What language do you speak? What is your normal language? Okay. What are these coordinates? Minus 31, minus 153. Minus 31, minus 153. Okay. Minus 31, minus 153. There you go. So that is that whole structure. Down here it's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Oh, sorry. I didn't realize that you couldn't understand much. Oops. Oh, that crashes it. I found a bug. Here is the bug. Probably should have added that in a long time ago. Okay, cool. I'll select that world, load it into memory. 35. Yeah, somewhere here. Here it is. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2. 22 blocks down. Okay. 22 blocks into the ground. TNT fall trap. Overworld on land. Add preset. There you go. Barrier. Include air blocks. There we go. Hang on. Okay.